back to another video. Today we got a New Year's sale. This is an email we got from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, this is going on now. It says through Wednesday, January 1st. So I guess it's like a 2-day sale type of thing. Today and tomorrow, 25% off coupon. You can use both coupons, not on the same item, but you can't use both of them. Actually, you can use all three in the same transaction, but you can't use it on the same item. So you can use this on an item and this on another item and so forth. So this is a 25% off. So if you guys don't know what to get with this 25% off, I do have a few videos. I'll see if I can link them up above, and that way you guys can get some ideas of what kind of items you can get with this 25% off coupon. And then we got the 20% off, which is the same type of thing. The only thing, you're getting 5% more. You get a free screwdriver here. We usually get these for free all the time. But now, Harbor Freight's been lagging on releasing free items. So I would get them as much as you can, because they're not going to be available, for a little while. You got a rapid pump 1.5 ton lightweight aluminum floor jack, $59.99. Always been that price. Always been this price. It's a great little recip saw for the DIY. Same thing with this Portland electric chainsaw. It's a great little chainsaw for $40. It's a great little cart. I do have the 5-drawer. It's bigger than this, so if you need more room, buy the 5-drawer. You got moving blanket, $3.99. This used to be free, and now they're selling it for $2.49. I haven't seen it free anymore, so just the way it is. 3-in-1 portable power pack, $49.99. I do have the Viking, not this one, but the Viking, and I did start a V8 with that one. Make sure you check it out. Put tool head 147 Viking power pack. It is like a battery power pack, and you can start a vehicle with it. If you guys want to look at that video, foldable sawhorse, $8.99. Always been this price. These are great. Definitely recommend this for these TVs that you guys got on Black Friday or for Christmas. Definitely recommend that. I do not recommend these. I had 2 of these blow out on my remotes. I had acid all over the remote, all over my hands. Do not recommend those. This used to be free, and they're $19.99 or $119 now. These are great gloves. Definitely recommend for the yard work, heavy duty outside work. Definitely recommend that. These I do recommend, especially for the rotation of tires. If you want to just torque those lug nuts to the truck specs. You don't want to do anything more than that, because if you're going to be rebuilding engines and more, precise measurements, you don't want to use this. You want to go a step above at least. This is a great one. Good price, $79.99. These are always good. Definitely recommend these for $174.99. These are great. I do used to have this. I did sell it. It was a great little saw. It's a great little beginner saw, and all the cuts were just right on the dot. I did upgrade to the Admiral. Admiral has a lot more features in it. It's a lot more. It's about $80 more than this. So definitely recommend this for you guys. It's a great little saw, a great price for $94.99. It's a great little tool for the DIY, even moderate, heavier DIY. Feel free to take a screenshot or take a picture of any of these coupons and use them. That's why I'm sharing it, so you guys could copy the code and take a picture on the computer. You can show them at the cashier. These are great. I do have them. They work pretty good. I do have this. It saved me a lot of money from calling a plumber. I've been using this, I would say, about 6 times already. 5 or 6 times. And that thing works like a charm. I recently bought this. The Diablo industrial grade rubber air hose. This thing's great, guys. Haven't done a video on it, but I'll probably do a video of the remodeling I was doing. And I was using this thing. This thing is great. These are not the greatest. I would go with Merlin. Merlin has some great tips there. And this is great for the DIY guys, even for the professional. If you want to have like a side gun, you know, if your main gun breaks, it falls or whatnot, and you have another one, or if you're going to be working really high and you're afraid it's going to fall, you know, you can bring one of these in, really inexpensive, and they work, they do the job. But I would mostly recommend it as your second gun or as a DIY, like if you're building a frame, you know, a frame for a small room of storage or something like that. This is great for you guys. The only thing with this is you have to put a little bit more pressure, and you have to run it at high psi, 90 psi, so you can get all the nail all the way in. Otherwise, you get a little bit sticking out. But like I said, just put a little bit more pressure down, and then just push the button, and it should go all the way down. $59.99 for that. That's it for today. Short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell.